Welcome back to the channel! If you've ever imagined combining the luxury of a premium sedan with the freedom of a first-class motorhome, then today's concept is going to blow your mind. Meet the 2027 Honda Legend Motorhome, a futuristic luxury RV that redefines what it means to travel in style. While Honda has built its reputation on reliability, comfort, and cutting-edge engineering, this incredible vision takes everything to an entirely new level. Imagine waking up beside a peaceful lake, surrounded by breathtaking scenery, while enjoying all the comforts of a luxury apartment on wheels. Let's explore why this stunning concept has everyone talking. At first glance, the 2027 Honda Legend Motorhome immediately stands out with its sleek aerodynamic profile. Instead of the traditional bulky RV design, this concept embraces smooth body lines, a sculpted front fascia, and an elegant silhouette inspired by Honda's premium sedan lineup. The signature LED headlights stretch across the front, creating a futuristic light bar that instantly grabs attention. A bold illuminated Honda badge adds a sophisticated touch, while the panoramic windshield offers incredible visibility for both the driver and passengers. Premium alloy wheels, flush door handles, and aerodynamic side mirrors further enhance the modern appearance. Every angle feels carefully crafted to balance elegance with functionality, making this one of the most stylish motorhome concepts ever imagined. Step inside and you're welcomed into an environment that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a recreational vehicle. The cabin is finished with premium leather upholstery, natural wood accents, brushed aluminum trim, and customizable ambient lighting that creates a warm and relaxing atmosphere. Large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light, while offering spectacular views wherever your journey takes you. The spacious lounge area features plush reclining seats, a convertible dining table, and a large smart entertainment display with wireless connectivity. The kitchen is equally impressive, featuring high-end appliances, a built-in induction cooktop, a modern refrigerator, microwave, and plenty of storage space for extended adventures. Every cabinet is designed with soft-close technology, giving the interior an upscale residential feel. Moving toward the rear, the master sleeping area offers a queen-size bed with premium memory foam, integrated reading lights, and additional storage underneath. A beautifully designed bathroom includes a rainfall shower, stylish vanity, and eco-friendly water management system, ensuring every trip feels like a stay in a luxury hotel. Technology plays a huge role throughout the vehicle. A massive digital dashboard combines driving information, navigation, entertainment, and smart vehicle controls into one seamless interface. Voice commands allow you to adjust lighting, climate, security, and multimedia without taking your hands off the wheel. Wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports, high-speed internet connectivity, and an advanced surround sound system ensure passengers stay connected and entertained wherever the road leads. Powering this futuristic motorhome is an advanced hybrid electric powertrain that delivers strong performance while maximizing fuel efficiency. Honda's intelligent all-wheel drive system provides excellent stability across highways, mountain roads, and challenging terrain. Adaptive air suspension delivers an incredibly smooth ride, while advanced driver assistance features like autonomous highway driving, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, 360-degree cameras, automatic emergency braking, and intelligent parking assistance make every journey safer and less stressful. Although Honda has not officially confirmed production of the 2027 Honda Legend Motorhome, industry experts believe that if a vehicle like this reaches the market, pricing could begin around $180,000 for the base model and exceed $300,000 for fully equipped luxury editions. It certainly wouldn't be inexpensive, but considering the innovation, comfort, and premium features packed into this concept, it could become one of the most desirable luxury motorhomes ever created. So, what do you think about the 2027 Honda Legend Motorhome? Would you take this incredible home on wheels on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing automotive content.
She says, hey man, there were just too many days when our good intentions only got in the way.